You are watching BitBNS News.
Hello and good morning. Right now the market is completely volatile, so it is important for users to get to know what actually happening around the crypto world. What news is there around crypto? So for that, make sure you watch Crypto News Daily and keep yourself updated. Major Cardano innovations unveiled and explained by developers. Binance.us to buy bankrupt crypto lender Voyager's assets for $1.02 billion. South Korea's Busan City crypto exchange moves ahead without global partner. Biggest Dogecoin holders in the world transform enormous 3.8 billion Doge to this address. Bitcoin ditches $16,000 dip as Lero Jenkins Bank of Japan flattens dollar. BlockFi submits motion to return frozen crypto to wallet users. Gay.io closer to launching US services after receiving local licenses. Busan City drops global crypto exchanges from its digital exchange plans. Meta delays within deal amid regulatory scrutiny. Oro's bankruptcy protection filing shows funds tied up on FTX. Meta VR consultant John Carmack leaves company. Visa proposes automatic payments using Ethereum Layer 2 solution Starknet. Several important improvements to the Cardano ecosystem have been unveiled today by the various developers operating within it. The innovations include both the blockchain itself and the decentralized applications built on it. Binance US, an independent Binance unit operating in the US, is said to have reached an agreement with the Voyager Digital to buy its assets. The deal is valued at $1.02 billion. It's comprised of Voyager's crypto portfolio worth of $1.02 billion and additional consideration worth $20 million. South Korea's Busan City announced the steering committee on Monday for building its flagship digital assets exchange, but it didn't include most of the global exchanges that earlier partnered with Busan's for the initiative. The biggest Dogecoin whale on the market has been making suspicious transactions by moving funds from her number one wallet on the network to the fifth biggest address on the meme coins blockchain. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed BTC USD returning to near $17,000 after falling over 3% through the course of 19 December. Bankrupt cryptocurrency lender BlockFi has filed a motion to United States Bankruptcy Court for permission to return frozen cryptocurrencies held in BlockFi wallets to its users. Gate US, the United States arm of the fourth largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, Gate.io, says it has received operating licenses in several states, bringing it closer to launching services in the country. Busan, the blockchain city of the South Korea, has moved a step closer to forming a local crypto exchange, but it has dropped most of the global centralized exchange partners. The drastic decision comes in the wake of the recent closure failure of centralized exchanges.